Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and you are watching the Nursing Mindset. Hope you are well. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Today topic is procedure on body position, BSc Nursing first year, Community Health Nursing topic, Nursing Foundation topic. So the first of all is position. What is position? In this position, the patient lies flat on leg together. His head may be supported with a pillow and his leg either extended or slightly flexed. A small pillow under his knees usually make him comfortable if his knees are flexed. Cotton rings under the elbow heels, air cushion under the buttock will prevent bed sore. In bedridden patient, foot rest is used to prevent the foot drop. Dorsal recumbent position. Dorsal recumbent position, as you can see from the diagram. The patient lies in the bed with two or more pillows which may be arranged in armchair fashion to support should arm elbow. The position is used in minor respiratory distress. Third is prone position. The patient lies on abdomen, face turned slight way with one small pillow under the ankle. The head rests on a pillow. One or both arms rest in comfortable way, either beyond the head or at the side of head. The position is used for patient with burn injury or back. This is also used to give comfortable and to relieve pressure from bed sore prone area. Prone position are useful for patient after anesthesia to prevent aspiration of saliva and mucus. In such a situation, no pillow is used under the head. Lateral or side lying position. The patient lying on side with both knees slightly flexed toward abdomen, one knee more acutely than the other. A pillow under the head support the head and pillow at the back gives support to the back. A pillow in front support the arm and abdomen. A pillow between knee take weight of upper leg. A left lateral position is same as the lateral position, but the patient is placed on left side with pillow under the head. It is generally used for giving enema, suppressing, for taking rectal temperature and doing rectal examination. This is the lateral position, as you can see from the diagram. Next is Fowler position. This is more erect position in which the effort is made is to maintain the position of patient in sitting position as nearly upright as position possible. The position can be maintained by means of a backrest and additional pillows. The arm should be posed on pillow so that the patient sits with arms supported in armchair fashion. An air cushion under the buttock prevent pressure over the serum. The knee may be raised over the pillow to prevent patient from sleeping. This is low, mid, high Fowler position, as you can see from the diagram. The high Fowler position 90-degree angle, mid Fowler position 45-degree, and lower Fowler position 30-degree. The position is used whenever the drainage of the abdomen cavity desire to localize infection, to relieve breathing difficulty, to relieve tension, abdomen suture, and to relax the large muscle of the back and higher. Cardiac position. Place a table over the bed in front with pillow on it which the patient can lean forward and take rest. Patient has air cushion to sit on and a small pillow underneath. This is also used for patients with cardiac disease who cannot breathe easily in lying down position. The position make it possible to use that extraordinary muscle of respiratory change essential to relieving fatigue and to prevent embolism. Position used for physical examination. The dorsal or horizontal recumbent. This is same as used for comfortable. No comfort device such as pillow, knee, air cushion, cotton sign, and foot rest are required. This is used mostly for head to foot examination. Second is dorsal recumbent position. The patient lies on her back with legs separated and the knee flexed. The patient has one pillow under the head as you see can from diagram. The position is used for the vulvar vaginal rectal examination and for operative procedure on the vulvar area for the catheterization. Erect position. This is the normal standing position with both feet on the floor. In this position, the patient is examined orthopedic and neurological procedure. Lateral position. In this position, the patient lie in the left side, one pillow under the head with the cheek resting on it, and the left arm is drawn behind the back, and the right arm may be any position comfortable of patient. The right thigh is flexed, the abdomen. This position is used for vaginal and rectal examination. This is same position you can see from the diagram. Lithotomy position. Patient lie on the back with one pillow under the head. The legs are well separated and tied well flexed on the abdomen and leg on the high. The patient bucket brought to the extreme edge of the table and the legs are supported to straight. If the calf muscle are pressed or if position is prolonged, there is danger of embolism. This is lithotomy position as you can see from the diagram. The position is used for the gynecological examination treatment during surgical procedure. Knee, chest, genopectoral position. The patient rests on the knees and the chest. The head is turned to one side with the cheek off over the pillow. A small pillow may be placed under the chest. The arms are above the head or may flexed at elbow or rest along with the side. If the head so to support the patient partially, the weight should rest on chest and knee. The position is used examination of the rectal and vagina as exercise for postpartum patient. Trindle position. The patient lies on the back of the foot of the bed is elevated at 50 degree 45 degree angle in the OT. The operation table can be adjusted to maintain the position. The patient head is low, the body is on the inclined plane and the leg has downward onward over the leg of the table. This is the Trendelenburg position. Reverse revenge position. This position is used during the examination of the pelvic organ in the order to display the intents from the pelvic into the upper abdomen. It is used in the ward to treat shock and decrease blood pressure. At last, the bibliography book source: a textbook of Nursing Foundation, Gowda, Ninjade, S.N. J.P. Brother, Medical Publisher, P.T.D. Second edition, page number 4562459. Internet source, SlideShare and Wikipedia. Hope you get information from this video. Like the video, comment the video and share this video to your friend and subscribe the channel The Nursing Mindset. Hope you get information from this video. Thank you for watching this video.